Hello! Hello guys. Magtaka ka, ang dami kong parcel! Oh my God! At ito nga guys, magbubukas ako ng parcel. Ito guys, hindi ko alam. Parang wala akong order na pinakamaliit na na orders. Pero bubuksan natin kung ano, okay? Dito natin malalaman kung ano ang laman ng maliit na package na to. Ngayon. Meron akong 5 parcel guys. At in-order ko to for myself. This is gift for myself. Yes. And I want to open it and share to all of you guys. I hope that you can see what is inside. Yes. This is ano pala. This is a lipstick, a special kind of lipsticks that it can make remove your black to your lips. Yes. Oh my God, magiging kissable lips na ako. Tama ba yun? Kissable. Oh yeah, kissable lips. Yun. Nasa danger na ang kalagayan ng aking karaoke dahil sa mga pamangkin ko na to ng mga duho at kakatulak-tulak, ayun na, wala na siya sa sarili niyang ano. Ito guys, wala pala akong gunting. I don't know where is that. Scissor, yes. And I need to open it. This is for lipstick pala to guys. Masyado akong underestimating kung anong kakayahan ng laman. Ito nga to guys, order ko nga to, hindi ako nagkamali kasi ayoko naman ng sasabihin, oh madam, that's your orders, you know. I forgot that I ordered lipstick. This is removals dark to your lips. Kasi guys, kaka-lipstick ko in how many years? Tignan mo yung lips ko. Look at my lips now. Ay, kissable pala ako. Sana all. Lipstick lang yan, guys. At akala ko, ini-expect ko na, ay kasi naman dark. Nasa dark ang aking. Ito ang aking mga orders. Ito. Yan. At yun nga, guys, dahil sa madilim, wala naman akong choice, kundi ipatong ang aking camera sa bintana. Yun, ganyan na lang. Ito nga, guys, ito. Ito ay aking, ito ay orders ko sa TikTok. Sa totoo lang guys, nag-i-enjoy ako sa TikTok. Nag-i-enjoy ako kasi marami kang makikitang bago. At sasabihin mo, oh my God, I want that. Kapag nag-order ka sa TikTok guys, magiging addicted ka. Honest is, I'm crazy addicted to orders in TikTok. Yes, I feel like, oh my God, if I search so many things in TikTok and I can see the latest one, nangangarap din ako na magkaroon niya. Nangangarap din ba kayo na magkaroon? Sa totoo lang sa inyo. Kapag nag-order kayo, be sure don't cancel. Why? Because you know, the owner of that items is, they work hard to pay parcel. Okay, and it's not good that you're cancel and then it's take time for them to pack their things and you need to turn it back. If you don't have money enough for your orders, please don't order kasi kawawa naman yung mga di ba? Sa totoo lang guys, sa dami ng in-order ko, isang beses pa lang ako nag-turn it back ng items kasi I ordered lotions. And then it comes is a little pack like toothpaste only, the small one. And I ordered 2. And I expect that 250 grams, it's a big already, right? It's like that. The biggest like that or yeah, small or that kind of lotions. It's not biggest. I mean it's like small, medium size of bottles. Ayun. Ito ngayon guys, ang lip balm na pampa-remove ng dark skin sa lips. Sana all. Order na kayo guys. Hindi pa ako maka-comments ngayon kasi kakagamit ko lang. First day ko palang gamit. Okay, Next na pag-open ko ng aking parcel is I want to choose this one, the big one, okay? Ayun. Yes. tignan natin guys kung ano ang nasa loob nito. Di ba guys, take time naman. Pupunta ka ng post, magsasayang ka ng oras to send this. So, if you're not interested much or 100%, don't ever order, okay? Yeah, that's my advice only. Oh my God! This is it. This one is shampoo for myself. I want that my hairs grow more, and I know naman that my hair before when I was young is different. If you're getting more older, I'm old enough na. Yeah, I'm adult enough to face all of my problems in life. Ano naman connection nun sa order ko? No guys. Ito guys, in order ko to kasi the commercial that they can have a good hair result after they use this shampoo. So, this one is DHT blocker. Biotin called Prez. Ito try ko to guys. I hope that it works because I want that my hair's back to black colors again. So hoping that it works, or if it's good for my hair, I will buy a new items if I done these 2 packs. And then the next is sana all ang aking hinihintay at pinapangarap. This is Halo Lotions. Yes. I dream to be lighten, not to be white, because I know that I'm a brown complexion, real Filipina. And I want that my beauty, I will maintain as a Filipino beauty. Brown complexions. Yes. Ito nga pala guys, ay gagamitin ko to protect from sunburn. Yes. Because I know that there's a sunburn in my skin. It's burning if I go outside, if I do cleaning, especially in our garden, or sometimes I go to the mountain too. But guys, it's scary to go to the mountain alone. And I'm lucky that I go together with my sister. But that mountain is not so much far away from here, but there's a lot of mysterious way that is happening. And ito yun guys, ito yung aking Halo Lotions. I have 3. I got 3. By the way, thank you to sending this. Ines is my skins have allergies to, if I go outside, especially if the grass is touching my skin, it's make more itchy. Yeah, in evening time I feel itchy, and I think this one it's help for me to have a lighten skin and protect my skin away from a lots of allergies. I hope it's help. Yeah, and this is my third orders. Thank you to sending me these items. Others na ako. I'm addicted to TikToks. Yeah. I didn't dance in TikToks, but I ordered TikToks items. Nagjijologs. At saka ito guys, I think this is, what is this? This one is my, port. I have 5 orders today, and I know there's a coming, and I'm waiting for my new dress. This one I collect summer dress, guys. Honest is since teenagers I love dress, and this one is sport, and I think this is this is candles, guys, red candles. I order red candles to remove a bad black spirit in my in my house. Yes, I order this in TikTok too, to protect myself against the bad people in earth. Yeah, in this earth there's 2 types of person: good persons and bad persons. Yes, so I will use that to remove bad persons in my life. And the 5th one is this. I don't know what is it inside, but I try my best to show you guys. I want to share. Yeah. Um, I have more. I have more orders, and I hope it comes. And I'm not sure if it's I don't know. And honestly, I forgot all of my orders. Yes, I know that I have orders, but I don't know what is it exactly. But honest is I ordered more. Yes, I think I have 9 orders in one day. Oh my God, di ba? Ayun, pero regalo ko nga to guys sa sarili ko kasi minsan lang naman ako makaluwang-luwang, minsan lang naman ako dati kasi guys, nasanay naman ako to treat myself because I have a job in Denmark. And this time guys is, I will show you what is it. I don't have scissor to cut it. What is this? And wow! There's something acnically clearing. I don't know what is it. This one is about shit. This one's guys is T-shell. Yeah, T-shell. T-shells is to remove, the dark in your skin. That if you have a dark spot in your skin, it's help to remove your dark from your skin. And I want that, my skin is look like very, alam mo yung very soft like a baby. And I hope that it's help to remove a dark spot in my skin like that. I think this one is it's ano nga yung tawag dito? Pikas sa Tagalog, pikas. Ayun guys, ito, nandito na lahat ng orders ko. Regalo ko sa sarili ko. Mga items na I know I can use for myself because, since I came here in Philippines, I got the skin allergies, guys. Nagkaroon ako ng skin allergies and it's very itchy. And then the part of that in my legs is there's a dark brown that is not easy to remove. Even that I'm using whitening lotions and what do you call that? A kind of whitening soap. Whitening soap. Alam mo guys, yung soap at saka soap. Nalilito ako dyan. I feel more confused. Yes, honest is yes. I need to be honest. Yung sabon, how can I pronounce sabon in English? I feel more confused and I'm worried that I pronounce wrong words, yes. But I know what I mean. Sabon, guys. And this one, guys, I know that this one is good for skin. And I need to try. Even though that my skin is like this, honestly, I'm not ugly naman. I need to use this to maintain my skin. Ayun, yun lang guys. Sabi nakita ko lang sa inyo ang aking ka-ek-ek-ek-ekan. Ito na nga yun guys, ang aking mga orders. Ito na. May Hali lotion na ako! Oh my God, congratulations, Rogelia. You win 3 bottles today. Congrats. By the way, guys, thank you. Thank you sa mga my business sa TikTok. Congrats sa inyo, guys. I hope that all of you is gonna be more success to your own business. By the way, bye. I love you.